Hi guys, so today I'm just going to make some Irish moss punch. I have 100 grams of Irish moss, sea moss, whatever you want to call it, and I'm just washing it multiple times with some fresh lemon. And this is the brand that I used. And what I did, I soaked it for a couple of hours, and you see how it expanded, and that's what it looks like. So now I'm just going to make the gel. I just took a small amount and I added 1 cup of water to the soaked and washed sea moss, and I just blend it until it's completely smooth, and that's how you make the gel, and that's what it looks like. So afterwards I pour it into a jar and I leave it on the fridge. This is the consistency that you're looking for, and this can be kept on the fridge for up to 10 days. So now I use the remainder to make the punch, and I just empty the content into a pot and I boil it for 20 minutes, and I add some icing glass. This is just a thickening agent because this is a thick drink. And that's what it looks like after 20 minutes. So I just leave it to cool down, and then once it is cool I put it in my blender. I don't wash the blender, it's the same Seamoss. And then I'm going to add 1 cup of peanuts, red skin raw peanut, and blend. Then this is 2 tablespoons of linseed or flaxseed. It's the same thing, just have 2 different names. I soaked it as well, it needs to be soaked. And 1 cup of oats, and just mix up everything, blend up everything. Yep. This is the Guinness I'm using today. Normally use the bottle one, but this is what I have. So 1 can or 1 bottle of Guinness, and just blend out everything. Then I add 1 vanilla Nourishment and 1 peanut flavor supligen, 1 super malt, and 1 dragon, and just mix up everything. High in protein, power punch. And I sweeten it with 1 tin of condensed milk. I use the entire tin, but it's up to you. You sweeten to taste, and spice it up with half of nutmeg. Just mix that out. And some cinnamon. I don't have no measurement, I just dash what I feel is appropriate. Probably about a teaspoon. But yep, that's that. And just incorporate everything, mix it out. And here you will see me adding some vanilla. This is the brand vanilla that I prefer. And also no measurement, just dash some. But I think probably that was the equivalent of up to 2 tablespoons. Yeah. And this is optional, but I think it gives it a kick. And again, I have no measurement, I just pour what I need. And this is the finished product. I just put some ice because it's nice when chilled, and I couldn't wait for it to get chilled, so I just add some ice to it and garnish it with some fresh nutmeg. And that is how I make my Seamoss punch.